Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to provide access for your Shopify store. First of all, you need to go to the settings and click user permissions. Here you will see button add stuff. Click here and add name, last name and mail your Shopify developer. Then select all permission which you want to provide, but exist a sensitive permission. For example, if I click select all permissions, for example, you can see this permission here. If you click on show permissions, you will see that request data, it's sensitive permission, edit permissions, in users tab, it's also sensitive permissions, billing, manage other payment setting, it's also sensitive permissions. So you need to know this before you providing access. Second option, how to provide access, it's a collaborator request code. You need to copy these 4 numbers and your domain. You need to go to the online store and click view online store. Here you will see domain of your website. So for your Shopify developer, you need to send this domain and request code which I show before. So in order to provide access using second option, you need to share link of your domain and collaborator request code. Thank you for watching, subscribe to my channel and see you the next time. Bye.